Welcome to this Illustrator tutorial where we'll be creating a custom typography logo design. Typography logos are a powerful way to represent your brand through unique letter forms and styles. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to craft a compelling logo using Adobe Illustrator's powerful tools and techniques. Before we dive into Illustrator, it's crucial to have a clear vision of your logo design. Consider your brand's identity, target audience, and message. Sketch out ideas for the typography, including the style, size, and arrangement of the letters. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Choose the appropriate dimensions for your logo, ensuring it's scalable for various applications. Select CMYK color mode if the logo will be used for print or RGB for digital. Select fonts that reflect your brand's personality and message. Experiment with different typefaces and combinations to find the perfect match. Consider factors such as readability, uniqueness, and versatility. Using the Type tool, T, type out the text for your logo. Adjust the font size, spacing, and alignment to achieve the desired look. You can also manually manipulate the letter forms using the Direct Selection tool, A, to add custom touches. To make your typography logo stand out, experiment with various effects and modifications. Utilize Illustrator's tools such as warp, envelope distort, and effects to add depth, perspective, or stylistic flourishes to your letter forms. Enhance your typography logo with complementary visual elements. Incorporate shapes, symbols, or illustrations that reinforce your brand's identity and message. Ensure these elements harmonize with the typography and don't overshadow it. Take time to refine your logo design. Fine-tune the typography, adjust colors, and make any necessary tweaks to achieve balance and coherence. Pay attention to small details, as they can make a significant difference in the overall impression. Once you're satisfied with your typography logo design, it's time to export it for various applications. Save a master file in a vector format such as AI or EPS for scalability. Additionally, export rasterized versions in formats like PNG or JPEG for web and digital use. Congratulations! You've learned how to create a custom typography logo design in Illustrator. Typography logos offer endless possibilities for expressing your brand's identity creatively. Experiment with different fonts, styles, and effects to craft a logo that leaves a lasting impression on your audience.